Hello, so today we're going to introduce a USB dongle on a Honda. So without any USB dongle, this is what happens when you start your car and you have to manually plug in your iPhone for CarPlay to work. And there. Okay, so it can be very annoying the 10th time or 20th time. So we developed a USB dongle which can activate wireless Apple CarPlay automatically whenever you start your car. And now I'll use the product to show you what it can achieve.
Okay.
So this is our newest product, our latest product. It allows for a wireless Apple CarPlay connection to factory-fitted wired CarPlay. This product allows CarPlay to connect automatically whenever you start your car. You do not need to pull out a cable anymore. So now I'll show you what it looks like inside when you open the package. So when you open the package, you'll see a user manual in both English and Chinese, and you see our product in a plastic film, and you just take it out. And you plug into your USB port that you use for wired CarPlay. So after a few seconds, a menu will pop up and a Bluetooth name will appear as well. And once that has appeared, go into your iPhone settings, switch on your Wi-Fi, and go into Bluetooth and reopen the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth if you have it opened, and search for new device. And under other devices, you see the Bluetooth name on the menu. Click on that. And it'll show a prompt to select Use CarPlay and click Use CarPlay. And like so, CarPlay has been enabled wirelessly. Like so. And you can go into your original interface and back into Apple CarPlay just by clicking on your logo. So once you have connected your phone wirelessly, you can just put it away. And now I'll show you how it works. So what you can do as like normal. You can use the touch screen, which is fluent. There's no lag at all, lag free. And you can use this like any navigation you could use in wired CarPlay.
准备出发，全程11公里，大约需要29分钟。前方在道路尽头右转，进入宝吉路。
And you can use Siri with your steering wheel button. Call 10086.
Calling 10086.
Like so. And you can reverse in CarPlay. And you can listen to music. And you can use the steering wheel to go to the previous or next song. And to the next one. And to the next one.
Welcome to the back.
Like so.
加声音，声音，
And you can control the volume with the steering wheel. Softer and louder.
遇见19岁的我，戴着一双白手套，喝着我的喜酒。
然后拿个手机出来，是 Totally Wireless。
Totally wireless connection with a USB dongle.
没有一